Southern Fannin County in north central Texas, northern Hunt County in north central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles southwest of Celeste, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Celeste and Leonard around 7:20 p.m., Greenville around 7:25 p.m., Bailey around 7:30 p.m., Commerce around 7:40 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.